Hello guys, we are going to a car wash today in El Paso, Texas. It's been probably close to 2 years since I filmed a car wash in El Paso. And this will be at the Splash and Dash car wash on the far east side of town. We're gonna do the brush one. This is the one that we're doing. I'm going back to Tucson tomorrow. I want to have my windshield clean. So there's your menu. That one is the touchless one. They have a Vector Rapid Wash. I'll probably get... I don't want to get anything too expensive. I don't really know if I need tire shine. I'm driving back home tomorrow. I think I'm going to get the $10 one because it has Rain-X. It's gonna take some time, and there's your money machine. I'm gonna stop the video here for now. It's gonna take a really long time. That's it. I just paid. And you can see both car washes. I ain't gonna open the window for no one. Hello, I thought that guy was approaching my window. So this car wash has a cool history. It used to be, I think it was called Superior Car Wash at a time. They had, these bays used to have 2 Mark VIIs in them. And then the car wash closed and Splash and Dash remodeled the whole place. They kept the old dryers, and they are in the tunnel bay, as you can see there. They're old Superior dryers. They kept both of them. You can see the Vector Rapid Wash one there. And when you go to a car wash in El Paso, it's always crowded most of the time. Not like in Tucson where it's pretty empty most of the time. So I'm going to stop the video here for now, and that'll be it. Alright guys, we're going to be going inside the car wash here. I don't know what brand this one is. That way we can see. This is a tunnel car wash, obviously. It's been a long time since I filmed a tunnel car wash. I've been wanting to film this one for a really long time. Probably ever since I used to live in El Paso, but never had the chance to. I want to have a clean windshield when I drive back to Tucson so I can film the entire drive. And that's why I chose to go to this one. Next time I come to El Paso, I'll film that bay. And here we go. I don't know what, I think this might be a Sunny's tunnel car wash, but I'm not sure. Oh, this is so cool. that will be it. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed that. I'm gonna park at the Verizon store, and there it is right there. I can't get an outside picture of it today because it's way too busy. I'd have to come back on a weekday probably. And that will be it.